We did it like by far because he was in Haiti.
Yo va di by far. On nous parle de anglais Rutshelle. By the way, I love you, queen. Et musique numéro 1.
He did a song with me on his album.
Okay.
That called Ubam Lamu.
The song is called. We did a song together that's called Ubam Lamu.
He's the future. He is.
Wait. Oh, he's the future? He's the future or he's a feature?
He's very, very talented.
Talented. He's talented. Yeah, I guess the stress. Côté pour le mettre stress là, ça ok. Qui chance à te travailler ensemble avec?
We did it like by far.
Yo va di by far. And comprends ça veut dire? It was a long distance collaboration. That's how I would say it. We were far from each other. Mais c'est pas by far.
We even shooting the video like that.
And then Tanyo. Parce que Tanyo, son bagay moi, tout le monde struggle ensemble avec. No, we shot. Yeah, on parlait de passé. We shot the video that way. Or he was in Haiti, I was in the US. We shot the video with that concept in mind.
Yeah. Simple and cool. Like, he texted me, and I said, okay, I'll do it.
Rutshelle should have said, he texted me, right? Because we're talking about the past. Na parlé d'un bagay qui passé dans le passé. So he texted me and then I said, all right, cool.
When we record puis l'album ne sorti, it's...
I recorded mine, he recorded his, and so on. Overall, I think you did a good job. And remember, m'ta remè pou m'te ka fè quelques réactions vidéo si nou gen artiste haïtien ka parle anglais. Please, voye l'autre pou mwen, dim si nou vle plus. Mettez more dans commentaire yo. And you know I got you. I do.
We did it